What if I told you that something you do tomorrow might change what happened yesterday? This isn't science fiction. This is quantum physics. Welcome to the world of retrocausality, where the future might just shape the past. This is beyond Newton. Imagine you're flipping a coin, heads or tails. It seems random, but what if your decision to look at the result changes the way the coin behaved before it even landed? That's retrocausality in action, a theory suggesting that future choices can affect the past states of a system. Sounds crazy, right? But wait till you hear what quantum physics says. In quantum physics, particles exist in a superposition. They don't have one state, but many. It's like Schrödinger's cat. But let's skip the cat. Let's talk about photons, tiny packets of light. In the double-slit experiment, when we don't observe the photon, it behaves like a wave, going through both slits at once and creating an interference pattern. But when we observe it, it acts like a particle, choosing just one path. Here's the kicker. Sometimes our decision to observe or not is made after the photon has already passed the slits. Yet somehow, that decision seems to change the outcome retroactively, as if the photon knew what we were going to do in the future. This is called the delayed choice experiment, proposed by physicist John Archibald Wheeler. Imagine you set up an experiment where a photon has to choose a path, but you delay your choice to measure it until after it's already passed through the slits. What happens? The results still change based on your later choice, as if your action in the present is affecting the past behavior of the photon. This isn't just philosophical, it's been tested, and the results, they defy common sense and challenge everything we think we know about cause and effect. Let's simplify it. Imagine you receive a locked box in the mail. Inside is either a red or a blue card, but you don't know which. You decide tomorrow whether to open the box normally or use a special device that forces a red card to appear. But when you finally open it, whichever method you used, the card always matches your choice. It's as if the card knew what you were going to do, even though it was locked before you made the decision. That's the weirdness of retrocausality in action. Retrocausality forces us to rethink time itself. What if time isn't linear, but more like a web, where the past, present, and future are entangled? Some physicists think the universe doesn't evolve like a movie from start to finish, but more like a complete story where every event, past or future, coexists and influences each other. You think you're making a choice, but that choice has already rewritten your past. In this view, the future isn't written, but neither is the past fully fixed. Our conscious choices might shape not only what will happen, but also what did happen. Retrocausality could explain many of quantum physics' strangest results, but it also opens doors to mind-blowing possibilities. Could we one day send information backwards in time? Could future technologies send signals to their own past? Could consciousness itself, our awareness, be part of the equation that affects the fabric of reality? Some theories even suggest our brain's awareness of a choice may retroactively influence particles at a quantum level, meaning, your intention today might have already shaped yesterday. Retrocausality challenges the one thing we all take for granted, time itself. It suggests that the boundary between past and future might just be an illusion. So next time you make a decision, big or small, ask yourself, what if it's already changed the past? This is beyond Newton, where reality isn't what it seems, and time might just be reversible.